Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I bring a fresh review video for you guys. This is related to the binocular I have brought some time back. So let's start the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video I will share my field experience with this binocular. How I can handle this binocular with my big lens and camera. Along with that, how comfortable it is in the field or how much trouble I face to use this. I have used this binocular many times during my birding. Also I take this binocular to Chopta for birding and that is pretty helpful. If you missed the previous unboxing video of this binocular, then you can tap the I button and you can check the video once. If you want to list down the pros of this binocular, then there is a lot. First, this is the budget friendly binocular you will receive from Nikon with a good zoom and good clarity. Second, this binocular it's very easy to use in the field if you have big lens with you. Third is zoom. This Aculon A211 binocular, it's not a variable zoom binocular. However, that zoom is quite good. You can easily spot distant object by this binocular and the picture quality is very good. Fourth is the carrying strap of the binocular. Actually that is very useful when you are in the field. That time you can easily manage your binocular with your big lens. As we know, the look and feel of the binocular is very rigid. However, please try to use this binocular delicately in the field for long-term use. If you want to know about cons of this binocular, then there is a few cons you have to remember before buy this binocular. The lid cover is not properly attached to the strap, so that's why in the field you may lose the lid cover. So it is wise if you put your lid cover in your bag. Second point is stabilization. This binocular do not have any stabilization. That's why you may end up with a shaky view sometime. But this is not any cons for this budget, because maximum binocular do not have the stabilization. Third is low light performance. You may end up with some scenarios where you try to use this binocular after sunset or any low light condition. That time you face some issue to identifying the objects. Because of that objective lens of this binocular is 42 mm, so the low light performance of this binocular it's not so much great. So please keep in mind before buy this binocular. So this is the in-depth review of Nikon Aculon binocular. In the field, this small rigid binocular easily help you to spot different birds which may not be identified by your naked eyes. If you are looking for a budget binocular under 6,000 rupees, then this small, compact, lightweight binocular is a very good choice for you. In the end, this is all up to you. For me, this is definitely a deal breaker. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and keep watching.